Dupa, transform.
Ngayon pati si anak ka na. Nakapiyas mo sa
toast to the woman that is our sibling, family, mother, girlfriend, husband, aunt, wife, and aunt. Toast to the woman that is my mother. Cheers. 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 That's all. Okay. I love you because you cook for me, you hug me, and listen to me. I am grateful you do that, and the most important thing is that I love you, and I am the most luckiest daughter to have a wonderful, sweet, caring mother like you. Have a little cake.
Blow the cake.
Yeah, blow the cake.
You really.
Wish. Yes, I did it.
You what?
Yesterday.
Yay!
Right when I came home.
Kiss mama.
Your lipstick, I'm kissing it. Yeah.
On this special milestone, may you bask in the warmth of cherished memories, feel the joy of the present, and look forward to a future filled with love and happiness. Here's to celebrating the incredible person you are and the beautiful journey ahead. Happy 40th birthday, Anne. We love you. Manay Connie, Ronnie, Vicky, and Anton. Thank
It's a gift.
you.
Sigada, sunod na gada.
Your birthday gift. I will bought my birthday gift.
It's not yes.
Ano ko tabi at tubig sa mga tingguang.
This one. Wow, present card. Thank you. I need it. Salamat.
Open that first.
Cereal for your
Cereal is for you.
Wow!
It's a homemade, personalized
I made it.
champagne. Thank you.
So, two more wine nights.
Tomorrow night.
Do like this.
Wine tomorrow night.
WHINE, not wine. For more whining.
Yeah.
Yeah, my, my gift. Read.
Happy birthday. Great things happen at 40, especially to someone like you. We wish that you fulfill everything you pursue in life. Have a great day. Love you, Team B. And 500 Zalando. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Last one.
What's your gift?
Last one.
This is my gift.
No.
This is for you.
No.
Wow!
Thank you, baby.
Open it. Maybe it's the box. Maybe it's just a box.
No, it's a
Maybe
real
it's
one.
just a trick.
Open it. Maybe it's not Apple Watch.
Maybe it's only a watch.
Samsung watch.
Let's see. How do you even open this?
Sa mga apple.
Sa mga Apple Watch.
Naka-unboxing. Sa mga naka-unboxing.
Ito na kayo po.
Ako kaya din nag-ano.
Thank you, babe.
Nice.
a big one?
No, that's not one.
You bought a big.
No. Tama yun.
Thank you, love.
Tama yun. Tama yung gamot.
Now you have it. You can.
Yay! What can you say?
Thank you, babe. Welcome.
Now you can.
It is on your
Now you can.
Salamat.
Happy birthday.
Now you can call and receive messages
Jacqueline,
while
I
at
know,
work.
but I don't have Wi-Fi. Thank you. Thank you,
Yeah, you can get SMS. Makaka-receive ka ng SMS an.
This is a cellular watch.
Oh, that's even.
On this special milestone, may you bask in the warmth of cherished memories, feel the joy of the present, and look forward to a future filled with love and happiness. Here's to celebrating the incredible person you are and the beautiful journey ahead. Happy 40th birthday, Anne. We love you. Manay Connie, Ronnie, Vicky, and Anton. Thank
It's a gift.
you.
Sigada, sunod na gada. Last na rin kay Silvio.
Your birthday gift. You already bought my birthday gift.
It matches your dress.
May ganito ko tabi tubig tama.
Do YouTube na mo.
Okay.
So, first of all, happy birthday, love, on your 30th. It's been amazing. We've been together for 10 years now.
Really? Really?
Almost, yes, 10 years. Almost 10 years. It's 2015 in August. So there will be an anniversary coming up next year. Yeah.
Renewal of
Philippines!
So, being with you these years has made me extremely happy. It's hard for me to explain how happy you made me. I'm sorry. Oh, sorry. But I'm super proud of who you have become and how strong you are and how you've grown for each year. And I feel so privileged to support you. So happy birthday, love.
Happy birthday, Maan. I love you. Bye. You're my it girl. Baby, you're my it girl. Baby, I can lie. Oh, 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 oh. Jason. Dolo. Oh. Shower love. Really good. Bye. Bye. My it girl forever.
You think to Maan, happy birthday to you. You don't like the cake? You're my it girl.
You're my it girl.
Forever.
Forever. And I love you.
Happy birthday, Maan. Say love you. Bye, love you, Maan. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Baby, you're my it girl. You're my it girl forever.
Happy birthday, Maan, on your
40th.
40th birthday. We miss you and we love you.
Happy birthday, Maan. We love you. Wish you good health and luck.
Hi, Ann. Happy birthday. Dawa buo kitang kompleto. I hope you like our surprise. Lapaka-advance na maraya pero dapat choice para maipulat sa nang may surprise ka na mo. Ta migalin natin, B. You know, I hate doing this pero para kanimo I tried my best. Happy birthday to my partner in crime, my concert bestie, my it girl, my everything. You know, I'm always here for you. You will be I will always be your number one protector and supporter. Thanks for being my confidant and my biggest supporter in life. Love you, my bestie, my it girl forever. Happy birthday. Hope you like our pink party.
Happy 40th birthday, Maman! I'm so sorry I cannot be there, but I just want to say that I really think that you're an amazing role model for your girls, and I wish you all the best in your coming years. I love you so much, and have the best day.
Hi, Anne. Happy 40th birthday. I remember growing up, you loved dancing and reading, and I enjoy those things too. So I feel that we share the thing in common. You're so sweet and kind, and I love spending time with you. You're strong, and despite of what had happened, you're here, surviving, and I admire that you're so resilient. Life begins at 40, and I hope that the next 40 years will be filled with love, happiness, peace of mind, and remember that we are always here for you. I love you very much and enjoy your birthday.
Hello, Man! Happy 40th birthday! Hope you enjoyed the surprise. We love you!
Hello, Anne! Happy 40th birthday. I hope you love the surprise. Maski diri ko na witness sa reaction mo, I know that you are so happy and feel loved. Thank you for everything. Thank you for being there for me since day one. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best in life. Katikat na sana makakapag-work naman ka and you will fulfill your dreams. And yeah, thank you and happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Hey, Ann, happy 40th. Wala ako masabi, but all the luxury in life, good health, happy family, successful career soon. That's all I wish. Be blessed and thankful for everything that is happening to you, and you deserve that. And sana mag-transfer ka mo sa Ludwig, ano? I'm just kidding. Anyway, enjoy your day and sana na-surprise ka. Credit to Silvio.
Yeah.
Good plan.
Good job, Silvio.
Okay. And bye-bye.
Happy birthday.
Hi Anne, happy birthday. Wishing you all the love, happiness, and abundance that you deserve. Stay happy and healthy. We love you.
Hi Mama Ann, happy birthday. I miss our afternoon bike and badminton session outside. I wish to see you soon to Sweden. Anyways, happy birthday. We love you and miss you. Bye.
Hi Mama Ann, happy birthday to my number one, and I hope you enjoy your day. Thank you for everything, for the kulitans, the asarans, especially during the times when sinama niyo ako sa Singapore. I really enjoyed it. I hope that we can do more traveling in the future. I hope you good health. Cut. I wish you good health and all the happiness in the world. I really hope to see you soon. Love and miss you. Level up.
Hi, Ann. Happy birthday.
Ning, happy birthday. Love you. Have a great one. Mwah.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Hi, Ann. Happy 40th birthday, baby girl. Wishing you a day filled with happiness, more blessings, peace, good health, you and your family, and more birthdays to come. I love you very much. Hope to see you soon. An, pauli na kamuta, magpangisiya naman kita, An. Amo, An, love you again.
Happiest birthday, Anne. Cheers to another amazing year. May you continue to bring light, love, and laughter to everyone around you. We love you. Take care always. Bye.
Hey Anne, surprise from Melbourne, Australia. Happy 40th birthday. At the time I received a text message from Pure asking me to send her a video clip of a surprise birthday greeting. I just realized that, oh my god, you are turning 40. Maybe because you've always been like a younger sister to me, and I've never realized that you're now 40. And you don't look like you're 40. You're aging gracefully. You're aging beautifully. And I'm really proud of you. I'm really proud of what you have become. You are a very resilient woman. I admire you for that. I've seen you in your ups and lows. I've seen you in your good times, in your bad times, and if there's anything I can say, you are a beautiful person inside and out. And I cherish that, because our friendship is really a test of, no matter how distant we are, no matter how infrequent we catch up, how infrequent we talk, every time we get that chance, it's like nothing's happened. It's like we're still best buddies. And this is because you, the rest of your family, not to mention Pure, are beautiful people, and I always will be grateful of having you guys in my life, and I hope the same. So thank you for the friendship. God bless. I love you always. All the best. May you still achieve what you want to achieve in life. You have a beautiful family, beautiful daughters, beautiful children, beautiful life partner. So what can I say? You have it all. But then again, yeah, I will always pray for what your heart desires. So that's it. I love you and God bless. Enjoy your 40th. Remember, 40 is the new 30, so don't worry. Bye. Love you.
And happy birthday. I miss you so much and I love you. God bless you more. Enjoy your day while you're still young, okay?
Hello Mars, happy birthday. I'm so happy that you're now living the life you've always dreamt of. You have a loving husband, 3 beautiful girls, and living in a place that you've always dreamt of as a kid. And namumuya ako na dawa unong naiyanan mo, unong na-achieve mo. You've remained humble and down to earth. Di mo nalilingawan abaaw, di mo nalilingawan abibisaranan ta. So, saktong humble and sweet pa rin barkada ko. So, I wish you good health and endurance sa pag alaga mo ka family mo. I hope you always stay healthy. Mig alumni pa kita, mig baile pa kita, and enjoy your day, enjoy your 40th birthday. Buko basang Risa na 40 years old na. Banaman sa na 20 years old. Enjoy your birthday and see you soon. Tamig baile kita. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Jen! Happy 40th! So, pinakauna ka na mo nag-40. Uno na. Life begins. And I wish we are celebrating with your birthday right now. Looking forward ako na pagpauli mo mag-celebrate kita. Just like what you've said, na namimiss mo na akong ka-party. Di ko isi kung talagang gusto mo akong makaiba o sitong ka tapos nagpapaibog sa ka. Well, Jen, thank you for your support and cheering me up always. And for being with me for the past more than 3 decades of my life. Since daycare, magkabistaduan na kita. So tried and tested na talaga ang friendship ta ever since, 'di ba? Uno pang challenges or problem mag-abot ka na to sa friendship ta. So I'm happy na you are happy with your life right now, and I miss you so much. So, pagpauli mo, celebrate, remember. Well, I have a surprise for you, Jen. So, this is the most awaited reunion. Surprise! Surprise! We are complete on your birthday.
Happy birthday!
Of course!
Of course! Ate ka na mo!
We love you, Jen! See you!
Europe soon!
Yes!
Hi, Jen! Happy 40th birthday! I hope you'll enjoy celebrating your birthday today. I know they've prepared something special for you, so have a blast celebrating it with your loved ones and your friends there. I just wish you happiness, more happiness, peace of mind, and more love for yourself, for your family, and of course to us, your friends. I'm just so grateful for you, for being one of your best friends. So we've been friends since our high school days, and I'm so thankful that you're still here with me all these years. So that's it. Happy birthday again, and we miss you. We love you. Hope to see you soon here in Pinas. Happy birthday. Bye.
Happy birthday.
Hello!
Hello, Mama.
Hello, Mama. Hello, babe. We want to wish you a happy birthday on your 40th birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. We love you, Mama.
We love you, Mama. We love you a lot.
I